This New Balance tutorial will get you acquainted with the features of the Runiq app. Runiq offers 5 different watch face color styles, each tied to New Balance footwear and apparel. Accessory bands in various colors are available and sold separately. Runners can easily change between watch face colors and toggle between analog and digital watch faces directly on the watch. Easily start a run from the watch face by tapping on the runner icon. First, you'll see a GPS loading screen with an on-screen button to change between ride and run, miles and kilometers, and auto pause. GPS and other metrics are tracked by Strava and displayed by the NB app. Once GPS is ready, the user is taken to the Runiq dashboard, which displays distance, time, and pace. Runners can choose which of these metrics is highlighted within the smartphone companion app. Swiping from right to left on the watch face will cycle through tracking views, including heart rate for training in zones, cadence, steps per minute, to help with running efficiency, and lastly, laps for interval training and track workouts. Laps are controlled by the physical button located at 4 o'clock on the outside of the watch casing. The NB smartwatch app also includes convenient music controls for Google Play Music that can be easily accessed by pulling down the top drawer from anywhere within the app. When the runner is finished, they can pause, resume, and finish their workout. Upon finishing, a helpful run summary is displayed. In addition to the core running functionality, Runiq provides easy access to current heart rate and daily step count, all from any of the NB watch faces. New Balance Runiq, made to run.